Even if I turn off my camera, even if I change my name from dog pilot and to like something else, let's say I put my some random name, can you recognize my voice or not? Yes, you can recognize your mother's voice. You can recognize your father's voice, friend's voice, just on phone without even looking at it. Once they say hello, why and how? Why and how? Answer here. See, these are your lungs. Okay. Now there are something called as vocal cords. Whenever you want to talk something, let's say I want to say ah, the vocal cord will vibrate with certain frequency. ठीक है? Tanushri, say ah. Say it here.
Should I say?
Yes, say ah.
Uh,
Tanushri is a female, right? Now, the vocal cords in females vibrate with higher frequency than males. That's why, they have a higher pitch. Like, tell me, if a husband and wife fights, who will win? Who will win? Guys, don't laugh. Unmute and talk.
Obviously, sir, why?
Huh?
Obviously, why?
Be loud, be loud. I'm not able to hear.
Why,
Huh? Who wins? Husband wins. Don't dream, huh?
sir? Why?
Not possible. God decided already. Okay? Girls will win. Why? They can shout louder. Not they may not be able to shout louder, but उसका voice is high pitched. बस जो भी चाहिए गोल्ड ले लो, कार चाहिए ले लो, because the frequency is higher, you cannot tolerate for more time. ठीक है? So by default they win. So girls का voice, जिसका vocal cords will vibrate for the same more times than a boy's voice. That's why you can always differentiate girl's voice from boy's voice. Okay? That is clear, everybody. Now, let's say there are two people, two boys, Jacob and me. Even though we produce low frequencies, which Jacob produces will have one frequency, and which I produce will have one frequency. You understand? Okay? So the difference in the frequency of sound will create different types of voices. Clear? ठीक है. Two things. If I am speaking normally, you will recognize me. Yes or no? If I am speaking very loudly, will you still be able to recognize me? Yes or no? Yes. That means, see, frequency is same, but loudness increased. Yes or no? Now tell me, what part of a sound wave will determine the loudness? To recognize me, the frequency, it is same. My voice has a certain frequency. I use certain frequencies. My vocal cords will, rub with each other at a certain frequency. Have you seen किसी को गला में infection हो गया, उसका voice change हो गया? Why? Because the vocal cords get swollen and they will not be able to vibrate so much as they did with these things. उसका pitch down हो जाएगा once the vocal cord gets swollen. समझ में है? How the voice changes? ठीक है? अगर if you want to win on your wife or your girlfriend, पहले उसको आइसक्रीम खिलाओ. Let them have a throat infection. The frequency comes down. Wow, I will not do that. तब यू विल विन, ठीक है, देयर इज अ चांस, ठीक है, डोंट फाइट डायरेक्टली विद गर्ल्स, क्लियर, समझ में आया, ठीक है, ओके, नाउ टेल मी व्हाट डज दिस लाउडनेस डिपेंड ऑन?
Amplitude, sir.
Very good. Loudness depends on the amplitude. If the vocal cords are vibrating with the same frequency, but vibration is too much, then it will be loud. So that's why you will need more. Like if you have to shout, I'll have to take more air and then I have to shout. Yes or no? Right? The vocal cord vibrates with same frequency, but it will vibrate more. So this changes. Loudness changes amplitude. Clear? ठीक है, वेव्स के बारे में.